What if you could build an entire client portal messaging, file uploads, project tracking just by chatting with AI? No code, no developers, just your idea and a keyboard. It is so cool, I'm gonna show you. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist, and on this channel, I share tools that help you grow your business smarter. Today's video is sponsored by Hostinger, and we're gonna take a close look at their new tool, Hostinger Horizons. I love it. This AI-powered builder lets you turn an idea into a fully functional web app in minutes without writing a single line of code. I've tested it. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. Let's hop in. We'll start by chatting with Horizons directly from the dashboard. My first prompt is create a client portal where users can log in, view tasks, send messages, and download shared files. And then you'll see it swing into action right away. Horizons outlines a step-by-step plan for how it'll build the app. Number 1, building a sleek authentication system with stunning login interface. 2, create a dynamic dashboard with tasks, messaging, and file downloads. 3, adding smooth animations and vibrant design. And 4, implementing local storage for data persistence initially. Then it begins generating the actual files, HTML, CSS, and backend logic automatically. It takes a few minutes, so for the purpose of this video, I'll speed it up. But here's what's cool. You're not just getting a static template, it's building a working app based on your idea. The sandbox preview on the right updates live as components are added, giving you instant visual feedback. All of this happens within seconds, and you haven't touched a single line of code. Now, let's customize the experience to match your brand. Colors, layout, even interactions, it's all editable by chat. Customizing starts with a simple but descriptive prompt. I asked it to please replace the shield icon at the top of the screen above the text client portal with the logo I've uploaded. Then upload the overall color scheme of the dashboard to my brand color, A15332. Horizons understood instantly and applied the changes. I should note that you can also tweak things like fonts, layouts, animations, just by describing what you want. There's no settings panel or theme builder. This is all conversational. The AI updates the live preview as you go, so you always see exactly what's changing. It's fast. It's intuitive. Also, it's surprisingly flexible for something that doesn't require code. Check it out. This is already starting to feel more like me in just 2 prompts so far. I'm very impressed. Okay, now let's make it functional. I want each client to have their own login and access their account. So to do that, we prompt Horizons to add logins and role-based access. I typed, when a user inserts the credentials, I want you to log in and redirect me to the new screen with the menu. Horizons builds the entire login system with secure routing. Now, by default, the login works for a single user, but if you want true multi-user authentication, Horizons makes that easy too. Just ask it to connect your project to Supabase. Supabase is a user-friendly database system that adds secure login credentials and lets you manage users, files, and more without writing any code. Just click the Supabase icon, follow a few guided steps, and Horizon does the rest. Now, let's speed this part up so you can see the end result. Now, I'm not crazy about this initially, so let's change it. With a second prompt, change the layout to a 2-column dashboard. And in seconds, the interface updated, 2 distinct columns, well-organized information, and a sidebar on the left with content on the right. Everything is live and testable. You can click through the flow as if it were already deployed, so from login right through the dashboard, the foundation for a working client portal is already here. And again, if there's anything that I want to adjust, I just enter a prompt for it. Isn't it cool that this is all handled through natural language? No developers required. Now, once you're happy with the build, here's the magic moment. We're going to go live with a single click. To do that, just click Publish, and your project goes live in seconds. Now, you've got some options here. Hostinger provides you with an internal URL, or you can choose your own custom domain. There's one included with my account, or register a new one directly from the dashboard. No need to configure hosting or mess with DNS settings. Horizons handles everything behind the scenes. And along with your domain, you'll also get a professional email address, so everything you need to go live is in one place. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the registration process for a new domain, so let's check out the deployed site. Just know that hosting, domain, SSL certificates, and even business email, that's included. It's the easiest launch process I've ever seen for a web app, and the site is live and shareable right away. Let's say you want to make changes down the road. Horizons keeps it simple. Once your app is live, you can still make changes just by chatting. I tested a few post-launch updates, and Horizons handled them surprisingly well. For example, I asked it to add a calendar view for task deadlines, and within seconds, it was built into the dashboard. The prompt was add a calendar view to the dashboard where users can see task deadlines, make it easy to scan by week and month, and match the current color scheme. The layout adjusted automatically to fit the new feature. No design breaks, no manual fixes. You can also undo changes, fix bugs, or add new features with a single prompt. It's really like having a developer on standby without the back and forth. For solo founders or small teams, this can save hours of work and money, lots of stress. And since every change happens in real time, you are always in control. So there you have it. Hosting Horizons is more than just a website builder. It is a full AI-powered dev environment built for people who don't code. You can start for free, no credit card required, and if you want to unlock more prompts or go live under your own domain, use my link and code PHIL to get 10% off your first month of hosting Horizons. Let me know what kind of project you build with Horizons, and I reply to every single comment. I'm Pallen. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.